schoolmates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a fine day. I feel extremely delighted as I stand before a big crowd like this. For we are here to witness a grand celebration of our victory in our educational pursuit. Today is our graduation day, the day that we have waited for, and a day of harvest on our part. In fact, we have considered this day a new dawn because it marks our victory in a race or relay of 6 long years through our achievements. We were contestants in the different events in terms of educational applications based on the standards of the Department of Education for Quality Education. After which, we were judged every year through several tests by grade level, which I consider as a lap completed in a race. At long last, we have come to this point, graduation, which is the most joyous part in pursuing an education. Yet, we cannot be sure if we can still cope or surpass the several screenings on the next train. But one thing is for sure, we're determined to move on. I tell you, we're of mixed emotions today, emotions of sadness and happiness. Why sad? Because we shall be leaving our alma mater, dear schoolmates, and this very soon. Why happiness? Of course we're happy. We have undergone several trials and we have survived. All we can say is thank you and Godspeed to our ever supportive dear parents, teachers, classmates, and friends. We owe everything to you. Most of all, we thank you, dear God, for making our days on this first stage of the educational ladder a success. We consider this day the most perfect day as it marks a grand celebration of our victory and faith. We cannot repay you, but we swear to be good throughout as we will carry all the ideals of our dear alma mater. Mabuhay ang bawat isa. To all of you, we give thanks for the unending love, care, support, and sacrifices you have extended to us. We cannot forget you all because you made our lives complete and splendid. To all our guests, visitors, parents, and officials who sacrificed to be here today, we welcome you with all our hearts, souls, and hands wide open. We hope you will enjoy your stay. Sana naman ay masisiyahan kayong lahat. Again, welcome and please bear with us until the end of this celebration. Good day and long live!